welcome to Havila Salsha Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare a special Ramjan recipe mutton biryani. A very happy Ramjan to all my dear friends. Okay, here are the ingredients. For detailed list of ingredients, kindly check the description box. Okay, take 500 grams of mutton, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon fennel powder or some powder, 1 tablespoon shah jeera, now add 2 tablespoons biryani masala, add 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, salt as per your taste, two green chilies, few mint leaves and few coriander leaves. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste or crushed tomato. Now add 1 cup of thick yogurt. And add fried onions. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, now mix all of them together nicely. Okay, once they are nicely combined, marinate this for half an hour. Now take a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Now add bay leaf, 3 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, few stone flower, 1 star anise, 6 to 7 cloves, few peppercorns and few cinnamon stick. Okay, fry for 2 to 3 minutes until you get the nice aroma. Okay, now add our marinated mutton. Okay, now cook this until 90% of the mutton is cooked. While cooking, keep low to medium flame. Mix it nicely. And keep the lid. Okay, after 10 to 15 minutes, if you find there is no enough water in your mutton, then add water as required so that mutton gets cooked well. Mix it well and again keep the lid. And okay, now you can see mutton is cooked. Add pre-cooked basmati rice on top of the mutton. Now pour 1 tablespoon of ghee on top of the rice. Add soaked saffron water. and sprinkle some fried onions and few coriander leaves. Close the lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes on a low flame. After 10 to 15 minutes, open the lid and start serving your mutton biryani to your loved ones. Enjoy this special mutton biryani on this special Ramzan day. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Habilash Kitchen. Bye bye.